Right, so here's another Seaborn LX22 LE. As they state on here, there's only 2 left. So at this price, they have a trailer you can add on. Give them a call. Alright, this is Suzuki as well, 200 horsepower, 4-stroke engine. Okay, walking in. Again, you can watch this at 360 degree, any angle you want. Again, navigate around. I'm just gonna do a walkthrough. You can see it. To the front of me, there's this chair, front as well. Not motorized, but you have an anchor in the front. Okay, and there you go. You saw the center console already. Switches and everything. And down here, I'm gonna drop my camera to show you. Okay, here's the down there, some more rod holders. And that is it from what you see here. And the opposite side, drop it down too. Some rod holders too.